Hey guys, we're here. We're gonna play Build a Boat. We're gonna play something. We're gonna show you how to do some tricks and some glitches that could help a lot. So if you're working on you want something round, just click this little plus right here, and then click move. Move is just if you can't get it in the spot where you want it to. Rotate is if I put it to 5, could slowly move it and make something round. And also, you should be like a member because it gives you more gold. The way you become a member is just to scroll down a little. You'll find developer. Once you find the developer, you'll see it'll come up Chill Studio. Right now, I'm a royal member. Just click join, and so you could get. So now you could get like new stuff like for the member, just normal member. When you just joined, you get 25 more gold, 25% more gold, and a mega member you get 300% more health, which is very useful, and 25% more gold. But royal member you get 4 barrels of TNT and the same things as mega member. So we're gonna get playing and play something or show you some tricks. So if you have the paintbrush tool, this is for paintbrush and people who love decorating their things. Right now I'm trying to make a Christmas sleigh, and the balloons help a lot, like do presents, because you could just color the balloons like cyan and put it like that, or I'm gonna put it white because this is the string. And if you want a golden harpoon, you basically have to you gotta get lucky and go to a laundry stage and get it used to be my trouble where I just blocked people and they couldn't get in, but it started getting boring. So this is my grinder right here. So we're just gonna go find the laundry stage. So in the map, if you have completed all the stages, there should be like a sock, and if you don't find one, just join another server. So now we're just gonna see if we get lucky enough. Just gonna keep going. This grinder is very OP, but if you're still a noob, I'm gonna show you how to get money and get started and everything. So we just glitched because something has happened. So the first thing when you start, you'll actually get like 6 wood or something. The first thing you have to do when you're noob is do one of these, like ramp, but soccer's the best. Just get your wood block and just place it under there. I'm on mobile, but I know all the controls easily. So just go right there and just wait. So once you score a goal, it'll give you some money. So I should say that. You should get like stuff. So once you do that, just you get like some blocks and like good stuff like that. You'll get started. So, and there's like I don't know if it's still in the game, but there's like this secret where if you get your soccer ball gonna clear everything. You get a soccer ball, soccer quest, and get it to the end. You'll get like 3,000 gold. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm gonna put it anchored. If you don't know like the physics right here, anchored means it doesn't like fall, I guess. Look, so if I put a magnet right here, it's anchored, it won't fall. But if I unanchor and put a magnet up here, it will fall. So it's just basically keeping it in spot. Or yeah. So I'm just gonna get hinge, turn it around until it's like going into the ball. Same with the other one. It's gonna be pretty hard. So we're just gonna get here, and I'm gonna use some blocks. Well, this is not anchored, I forgot. Anchor this. And anchor that. Oof. Oh, so we have to actually connect it like that. I'm gonna use a scale tool. If you're like still beginning, it'll take you a couple tries, but like using a little box, and then go into the end of it. So I'm just gonna get the little shape and a jet and a pilot seat, and then get the water up, and then you're going to the end. Oof, it wasn't connected. I don't know if this can work, but that's a tip. I'm not verified yet, so I have like a few minutes to stop recording. But if you're doing some kind of project, and you should save up. The best thing is to save up for the scale tool, which is the best thing, but it's really expensive. But you'll be very good at the game after that. So wrench it. My favorite thing right here is the screwdriver, because you could troll many people. So we're gonna show you like a little boat that's very OP. Get this. So if you're new, just get this. But if you do the soccer quest, you just get some foil blocks, 40 of them. Put it around it. This. And you'll get thrusters like from a quest I do remember. I think it's because for ramp you could just all the quests need almost all of them needs you to fly. So just get a hinge and just match rotation like that, and then just stuff inside you. Jump and break the chair, and you just fly away. It's just pretty simple. Very simple thing. So once you get that, you get the glue block, which is from you get it from the Find Me quest. I'm gonna do another video about that. So once you get the glue block and the thruster, just put the thruster on top, and put a C on top, and put it properly. If you hear a dog in the background, you have to put it in the direction you're facing, like this way. So head that way. But if you have a car seat, it's better. Look at that. do it like that way is because all the way is going that way. If you don't have a car seat, just use the chair. So if I launch, as you can see, nothing happened. But I click the glue block and click the thruster. If you do it properly, you just fly all the way to the end. Or you could do another thing where you get the glue block, same glue block that we used, and then put on top, and then put the thruster, and put the seat, and then unanchor it. I'm just gonna, but don't unanchor it in this, and then you should just, but you have to be on white team for this. You should just like get into like the state. That's like a little ejection seat for the, just, and the other thing is just go through the black things, like black those to activate so you get money.